Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Power, cable connections, and that router LEDs indicate activity. If not, cycle power for 30 seconds and watch LEDs return. Next, check your ISP status quickly. If they report an outage, you'll avoid wasted steps. Once done, gather admin credentials and a laptop with Ethernet ready. You'll need direct access. Make sure to note which devices lost connectivity and which stayed online so you can target the next troubleshooting actions. You now isolate the problem by plugging directly into the modem or primary router with Ethernet, which removes wireless variables. Once connected, verify the WAN IP and gateway. If the IP is missing, renew DHCP or temporarily assign a known working static IP to test. Then inspect routing, firewall, and NAT rules for recent changes that could block traffic. Revert recent updates if needed. After changes, test external access and traceroute to confirm packets leave your network correctly. Finish by rebooting devices in sequence, modem, router, then switches and endpoints, to let routes and sessions rebuild cleanly. Wait 30-60 seconds between reboots. If configs seem corrupt, restore a known good backup or perform a factory reset and reconfigure. Document change settings. Make sure to re-enable security like WPA3 and firewall rules. If problems persist, switch to a mobile hotspot or secondary ISP for critical services while you coordinate with support. This keeps operations running during extended repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.